Hey travelers, Amber here with Gateway Travel. Now we all know packing smart can make or break your travel experience, and today I'm sharing some unique travel essentials that will upgrade your next trip. From space-saving hacks to security must-haves, these Amazon finds will make traveling easier, more comfortable, and hopefully stress-free. So whether you're flying, road tripping, or heading to a beach resort, these are game changers. And don't forget, all the links to these travel must-haves are in the description below. Let's get into it. First up is Gear Aid HeroClip. If you know, you know. This small but mighty clip is a must-have for keeping your bags, water bottles, and gear off the ground. It's perfect for public restrooms, keeping your luggage together, or even hanging your bag from a table or railing. If you've ever struggled with setting your bag down in a really dirty spot, you'll instantly understand how genius this product is. Once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever traveled without it. Next up are Stash Scrunchies. I love these. Need a sneaky way to stash small valuables? These scrunchies have a hidden zipper compartment, making them perfect for storing cash, jewelries, even your AirPods. They're great when you don't want to carry a bag, especially at concerts, festivals, crowded places, maybe even the pool or the beach. Most people don't think to check a hair tie for valuables, making it an extra secure option. Next I have for you towel clips. I don't know about you guys, but have you ever lost your lounge chair at the beach or a cruise or a pool? I mean, these towel clips not only secure your towel in place, keeping it from blowing away in the wind, in addition, they help you easily identify your chair in a sea of lookalikes. They're also handy for hanging up wet swimsuits or keeping items in place while you dry off, which is great. This is a great one, silicone bottle covers. Stay with me here. Leaky bottles in your bag are the absolute worst, and these silicone covers help prevent that mess. They stretch over your bottles and add an extra layer of protection to keep everything secure. This is perfect for shampoos, lotions, really any liquids that you're traveling with. They're a simple but genius fix for spills. Trust me, you'll love having these. In a similar vein, I have for you to check out liquid pouches. So instead of packing these really bulky bottles, these leak-proof liquid pouches let you carry just what you need. They take up way less space in your bag, prevent messes, and they're very secure with their seals. They're perfect for travel-sized toiletries, makeups, even sunscreen. Unlike bottles, they only take up as much space as you fill them, so they are a huge space saver all around. All right, now you've got to go check out the towel poncho. I have a link for this down below. And this towel poncho is a game changer for beach trips, lake days, or even hiking. It lets you change in and out of your swimsuit with privacy. No awkward balancing acts required. It's also really great maybe for running to the outdoor hot tub on a cold night without completely freezing. Plus, it doubles as a cozy towel after swimming. That's like a win-win-win. Now, I'm always gonna include these on here, and that is noise-canceling headphones. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like flights are getting noisier and noisier. Noise-canceling headphones let you create a peaceful escape. They block out engine noise, crying babies, all the chatty seatmates that may be around you, so you can focus on your show or honestly just rest. If you need to save space, noise-canceling earbuds are a great alternative. Once you fly with them, you'll never go back. All right, next up is one of my favorite belt bags. This hands-free bag is perfect for carrying essentials without the bulk of a regular purse. What I really like is it stays close to your body, making it a secure option for travel. So whether you're hiking, sightseeing, or just exploring a new city, it keeps everything you need within reach. No need to set it down in a restaurant or dig through a huge backpack. That is why I love taking this. It keeps my hands free for photo ops or anything that I might need to do. It is such a great travel bag. I think everybody should have one. Next is this durable insulated Yeti Tumbler. It is a must for any trip. So whether you're camping, cruising, or staying at an all-inclusive resort, you're gonna find a need for this, and I'm telling you, you're not gonna regret bringing this along. Yeti Brands makes one of the best tumbler options out there as far as how well they're able to insulate drinks. They can keep drinks hot or cold for hours. You can get a version with or without a handle for easy carrying, or you can get like a tumbler style. That would be the one without a handle. It's easy to clean and it's built to last. You will love it. Check it out. Now, obviously not all of us can afford to fly first class, but don't worry, you can upgrade your airplane seat with a foot hammock. It hooks onto the tray table seat in front of you and helps reduce swelling and fatigue in your legs during long flights. Keeping your feet elevated makes a huge difference in comfort, especially on those red-eye international long-haul flights. It's a simple way to feel more like you're in first class, even though you're probably in economy. All right, I saved the best for last, and honestly the most economic, and that is a quart-size Ziploc bag. These are a travel powerhouse. Use them for wet swimsuits, dirty shoes, dirty socks, or honestly just keeping all those TSA liquids organized. They're also great for protecting electronics in case of spills. You never know when you'll need one, so having a few in your bag as extras is always a good idea. So if you're still here and hanging out, don't forget to check out all the links in the description. You've got to dig into these great travel products for your upcoming trip. I've got everything listed down below for you. And if you love traveling, why not take it a step further? You can turn your passion into something more by joining our team here at Gateway Travel. So whether you want to become a travel agent from home or honestly just learn more about the opportunity, we've got you covered. Check out our Learn About sessions over on YouTube or schedule a one-on-one call to ask all your questions to one of my awesome colleagues. All the details are linked below for you. Happy travel!